Namaste students. Today we will start with the chapter 6 of your SST book and the name of the chapter is Our Home. In this chapter we will discuss about the earth because earth is our home. Why is it so? Because earth is the planet where all living beings survive. All living beings means the animals, humans or the plants. Now let's come to the chapter and study in detail. Our home, Earth is our home. It is the home of all living things. It is surrounded by a layer of air which is called atmosphere. There are four major layers of the earth and they are the crust, the mantle, the liquid outer core and the solid inner core. Let's discuss in detail about the types of layers. The crust is the thinnest outer layer of the earth where the continents reside. The next layer is the mantle, which is the largest layer. As you can see in the picture, in the orange color, the mantle layer is the largest one. The core consists of two layers, the liquid outer core and the solid spherical inner core. The inner core is the hottest part of the earth. Almost 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. 1/4 is the land. Means the maximum area of the earth is covered by water and only the 1/4 area is the land and land is the area on which we live. Next is the topic in which we will study about the shape of the earth. Thousand years ago, people used to believe that the shape of earth is the flat. It means if they will start their journey from one place and they won't be able to come back, they will fall at the edge. But later on it was proved by the Magellan that the earth is round in shape, not flat in shape. Let's read this incident. For thousands of years, people had thought that the earth was flat and had edges. They were afraid of traveling far. They feared that if they went near the edge, they would fall off. About 500 years ago, a man called Magellan started on a long journey from Spain. Spain is the country. He went by ship with his sailors and sailed west. They kept on sailing in the same direction. About 3 years or after 3 years, the ship reached the place from where they had started their journey. This proved that the earth had no edges but was round like a ball. When Magellan started his journey and when after 3 years they reached at the same point from where they have started their journey, then it was proved that earth has no edges, either it has the round shape through which they can come back to the point from where they start. So this is how the shape of the earth was proved. Did you know earth is the only planet that has an atmosphere containing 21% oxygen? It has liquid water on its surface. If we stand on the top of a high building and look far, we will find that the sky and the land are meeting. Yes, it seems, but not in actual. When we stand at a very tall building and at the top of that building, we see that the sky and the point of the building or the point of that land are about to meet. It seems like this, and that point is known as actual in horizon. See, let's see more about it. The place where they seem to meet, the place where they is for the sky and the land. The place where they seem to meet is called horizon. If we move towards the horizon, it will seem to move further away. Actually, the sky and land never meet, they just seems to meet. The place where land and sea meet is called the coast. Many people live on the coast. If we stand at the coast facing the sea, we will find that the sky and the water appear to meet in the distance. Actually, the sky and water also never meet. So, this was about your chapter, that is our home. In this chapter, we have discussed about the layers of the earth. I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Thank you, students.